All right, gliding it in, no power. Just let it settle in. Now we're gonna come in and we're gonna do a little snow surfing. I'm Andre, and in my hands is the Durafly Excalibur V2. When we did the V1 video, it didn't look like this, but who cares? We're out. We're gonna try flying this, or I'm out. We're gonna try flying the Excalibur V2. Conditions are a little different, but hey, we've got a little bit of a sunset going on, so it's cold. It's nippy on the fingers, and the atmosphere is gonna be a little different, but we're gonna throw a camera on board, throw a few packs in this Excalibur V2 and have a little bit of fun. I'm Andre, Durafly Excalibur V2. Let's go flying. Oh, there's snow inside the aircraft already. Oh, that's gonna be a factor of what we're dealing with today. I will come back and I will shoot a reprisal video, trust me, because we're not gonna let this weather be the end all of this review with this beautiful aircraft. It is certainly not the conditions I was expecting. Although it's sunny and not so overcast, it's definitely iced up a little bit. Let's clear out that motor for a sec. Uh-oh. Are we that gummed up? I think the motor got froze. Okay, so frozen motor. Okay, hopefully we've warmed it up enough, and we'll get out there and we'll do a flight. With what remaining sunlight we now have, this might be a really quick flying experience for the Durafly Excalibur V2 based on the temperatures we're experiencing right now. The only issue we're going to run into is landing. I cannot prevent snow from getting into that motor bay. A little dramatic start to my my flying adventure with the Excalibur V2 from Durafly. Motor got a little too much snow and ice into it, I guess, and it's cold. So, hey, we'll give it a shot. We'll see what happens, right? That's what flying is all about in the winter. Left-hand toss, camera's going. I'm nervous. I was talking about motor's cold. That battery does not sound. No, I think that the battery's gone. Okay, well, we've got another one in my pocket. We can fix this. The adventures of winter flying. Okay, so let's try battery number 2. Let's see if this other battery. Alright, that feels a little nicer. Okay. Let's go. Fingers are cold under a little bit of a toss, going up to 3/4 power. Oh yeah. Holy. I am having issues. I got no authority on my down elevator. Full down elevator. There's lots of up. Okay, I gotta bring this thing in. I don't have enough control to dive it. Shoot. Okay, I can bring this. We got this. No power. Just cruise around. If I have to throttle, I can. My head's not doing what I wanted to do. I'm gonna have to walk to go get my plane. Okay, we'll just put in more elevator and it'll be fine. Wow. Heart rate is going, but it's not the plane, it's just a setup issue. I got this. There goes my hat. Okay, whatever. Oh, I wish you could see this cruising in. Okay, all right, we can fix this, we can fix this. Oh, running out of sunlight, but it's actually just cloud cover. Okay, so I don't have enough down elevator, so I'm gonna dial in more down, because that was my issue. I was, all right, we're at full rates. I'm gonna try that again. Hopefully that'll go. Ah, so much drama for one flight. Okay, so I've just put up as maximum down elevator as I can into the radio. All right, here we go again. Yeah, okay. Feels a little better. I'm still dialing in a considerable amount of down elevator, but it's not that bad. I will fix that in my notes and readjust those pieces. Oh, here she comes. V2! Oh, I love this plane. Let's see if I can get her down to get that whistle sound. You're probably only gonna get one pack out of me today. Oh, shut up, Andre. Just prop in, dive. Oh, look at that sunset. Oh. What a plane. I love the Excalibur. Oh. Oh, I'm throwing, so I got her at 100% rates. That's 50 on the elevator and the rudder setup on the V-tail. And so what I'm noticing is, yeah, I'm having to dial in a lot of down elevator, but I'll fix that. Oh, there's a beautiful sunset. It's February. Ah. Ah. What a sound. What a sound. This is going to be a really quick video because it is February. It's winter. My eyes are watering for the wind, but I wish you could see the smile on my face. Oh. Oh, this feels so good. I got my timer set for 5. I have no idea. It's probably going to call it out eventually. And then you'll see it come in for landing. And hopefully I can reproduce that landing I did last time before my hat fell off my head in the cold. Oh, it's such a beautiful plane. Oh. Again, 1600 mils. It's got the folding prop and the motor braking. And remember, on landing, you gotta power off and just cruise it in. So I've like I said, I've got full stick down. So I am gonna come back and I'm gonna move that elevator setup back. And all right, so cruising around. I'm gonna try and bring it in. See, the orientation is not bad. You do have to keep your eyes on it. I mean, it's a sport plane. Oh, look at that coming in. All right, gliding it in, no power. Just let it settle in. And we're gonna come in and we're gonna do a little snow surfing. Oh my God, that was stupid but fun. No carnage today, Russo. Just land it nicely this time. Oh, look at that sunset. I love the fact that I've got rudder and a full... Oh, that's all you're getting out of me. Oh my goodness. That was so worth it. Listen, I'll come back on another day when I'm not losing all my daylight, and I'll move the camera around and give you some different angles and everything. But you know what? Considering everything with the battery issue, which is not the plane, it was my batteries just being frozen and everything and everything else. Wow! The Durafly Excalibur V2, you can be assured there's going to be more flying and more excitement out of this plane into the spring with me and it. So, I know I said last flight was the last one, but you know. Okay. All the reinforcements, I'm noticing it, so it feels stronger. Yeah, those batteries are definitely the problem. Just got too cold being outside. There's a lot of snow that's getting packed into that motor. All right. Oh, goodness, the stuff we do to have some fun around here. Okay. That was a good leg take off. Oh, I'm having so much fun with this plane. Just cruise it around a little tiny bit. Oh, such a view. Oh, it's so majestic. Majestic. Oh my goodness. What a plane. Alright, time to bring it in as I start running out of daylight. Oh, look at that. No power, just let it slide in. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I'm so glad I popped in that extra battery and went flying. Look at that. Look at that view. I mean, it's February, it's freezing cold out, but that was so worth it. And the Durafly Excalibur V2 is just such a stunning, amazing, fun plane. I look forward to flying this so much more. Hope you enjoyed those extra few flights. I did, because why not? I've got the entire park to myself, and it's a winter wonderland. I'm Andre, Durafly Excalibur V2. Thanks for watching.